that time, it was the biggest and richest and most powerful city in Sweden. The city was filled with gold and silver that the many ships brought back from their faraway journeys. It must have been a very tempting target for passing thieves.
For 1 week in August each year, the town of Visby reverts to its old self. Visby goes back in time to commemorate Gotland's glory days. The medieval festival here is the most popular event of the year. Just in tournaments and medieval markets attract the hearty crowd to the soundtrack of medieval melodies, the clattering of horses' hooves, and bleating sheep.
Today I'm going to prepare this lamb with a very nice marinade with saffron. So we add saffron, cumin and aniseed. Black pepper, garlic, lime, oil, vinegar, and the soya sauce. I don't want to get covered in juices, so a good trick is to use a plastic bag. We just cover it over the mortar, and now we just smash it. Okay, the lamb racks. Now you have to use your hands. We just massage the lamb racks. Okay, so now we just leave the meat for about 20 minutes. When you make a barbecuing, you have to have some pork. It's a roast. Sometimes pork can be a little bit greasy, and then if you use some kind of oranges or lemons, that will make the meat just beautiful. So we add juices and zest from 2 oranges, garlic. We just smash the garlic with the end of the knife. Smoked chili. Cut it. It's very leathery. Paprika. Oil. And here I use rapeseed oil. Red wine vinegar, because I don't want to spoil this beautiful color. Lemon that I just slice quite thinly. Then leave it to sit for approximately 20 minutes. Potatoes, summer leek, roasted hazelnut are the ingredients that we will use to the lamb. These are already boiled and drained, so we just fry them until golden brown. Some fresh rosemary, I got it here. The summer leek. In the meantime, I will make a sauce that Gordon Ramsay, who is a very famous English chef, he did it once, and well, and I tasted it, and it was gorgeous. And he used ketchup, orange juice, sesame oil, Worcester sauce, taste. Yes, there we go. As you notice, I taste everything, and I taste it many times. Well, you season something up with, for example, rosemary. You taste it and you think, well, it's all right. But if you just leave it to sit for 15 minutes and you taste it again, there will be a completely different taste. That's cooking. That's why I love cooking. Okay, so now the potatoes are done. And you don't have to serve the potatoes hot. You can actually wait and serve them lukewarm. Sauce. I just want the sauce to cling round the potatoes. I don't want to drown the potatoes. I've been telling you this plenty of times, but, well, it's very important. I need some black pepper, some more salt, and then the roasted hazelnuts. Okay, it's done. Braised fennel with spring onion. That's very tasty to the pork and sausages. Butter. Oil. And always, when the butter has silenced, it's time to add the ingredients. Fennel, summer leek, we fry the fennel and the onion very gently. Add the dried coriander, and I used 10 corns. Can you believe that that little dry thing has so much flavor? Fantastic. Add the orange juice, white wine. Then we leave it to simmer, put the lid down for around 10 minutes. Now the fennel and spring onion are soft. So in order to keep the good flavor right here in the casserole, I'll make the vinaigrette here by adding some finely chopped dill, rapeseed oil, juice from 1 lemon, and I think it's so good when you use the hand as a sieve. Can you hear the church? You can see the towers. 1, 2, 3. A cathedral. Put the pork and sausages on a skewer. Season them. Salt and some black pepper. The leftovers from the marinade we save. We add it to the fennel. And now it's time for grilling. I hope that my grill is hot. Yes, it is. I am a lucky woman. Perfect. Ooh. I have to give you some advice. Never put cold meat on the grill. What happens is that the cold meat will pull itself together in response of the temperature, and then you will have a very dry piece of meat. Number 2, it's tremendously important that you have a good distance from the charcoal. And number 3 is another reason not to put cold meat on the grill. What happens is that the very hot grill rack will go from warm to cold, and then you will boil the meat instead of grill it. And we don't want that either, do we? We just add some oil. We put the lamb on the grill. The sausages and the pork. My guests. They are waiting for me. I better hurry. Nu kommer jag! Vilket kött! Vi får se. Det känner man sig mer som...
It's a perfect